Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to today's tropical weather update. And we are continuing to look at our very powerful, or what used to be a powerful Category 5 tropical cyclone Habana here, continuing to maintain its intensity, maintain really its structure, and continuing to look fairly well right now for this low end tropical cyclone here at the moment. We got this well structured here, well organized storm with what seems to be some kind of eye trying to take place once again. We've also had a very well defined eye wall and some very clear rotation with the storm, as well as some high convection, which is really showing that Havana here is a continuing to um, strengthen very well. So if we look at the storm here on our visible imagery. So we can't really see anything here, so we're gonna switch, if you know what I mean. So let's look at the water vapor here, and once again, ice starting to pop out in those couple of frames. Lots of moisture trying to build back around that eye, which was lacking a little bit. We were getting a little bit of dryer coming in from this side of the left side of the storm. That's no longer happening. So with that in mind, the storm's continuing to look fairly well. Now, right now, Havana is located, as you can see right here, so it's not really affecting any mainland at the moment. Obviously, the storm is no longer expected to go near Madagascar, so that is good news, and I'm going to be showing you guys right now in just a moment. So this is our new track for Habana here, and as you can see, Habana is expected to continue to move left here, so that's going to be to continue to move westward here, and then so right now it's at around 85, so we're going to see the storm strengthening up to 125 knots, all right? So that's back up to Category 4 and 5 status, so it's going to continue to strengthen back, and before taking now that turn back towards the south, and then east, I think, east. So, or west, I'm sorry, I can't know my thing. So now, obviously, we're not looking at any more impacts. Most models bring it down here and dissipate it, or some bring it a little bit more that way and also dissipate it. So no longer any major impacts with the storm. If you look at the CMC, though, we do have some interesting thing going on because, as you can see, Havana right here dissipating, obviously, like I've been saying, but we do have some interesting things. So Havana here dissipating, right? But what's interesting, as you're going to be able to see here, is this storm which pops up right here at around an hour, 126 hours from now. So we have this new storm that's popping up and could be forming into something right now. The CMC is the only model showing this. But if we look at this here, it really starts to intensify itself out and becomes, a somewhat of a powerful cyclone. Down to 994 millibars, really close to Madagascar. So we're going to have to pay a very close attention to that because that is a possible threat, obviously, to Madagascar. It's likely, if it is, it's going to be likely moving just southward here. So obviously, it could move. We don't know if it's going to form yet. And that is the only model showing the storm form for the moment. Alright, so I'll have more updates if needed, and thanks for watching.